Whether you need an additional seat or you just moved into a new place, getting a beanbag chair is a great option. It's a wonderful piece of furniture that provides versatility, functionality, and adds a bit of charm to your living or working space. Beanbags are cool and fun. They give you a cozy seat to enjoy reading, watching movies, playing video games, or anything you can do while lounging or sitting comfortably. Since there are a lot of options out there, we decided to do our list of the best top-rated beanbag chairs out there. So let's get started. At number 1 is the Big Joe Joey beanbag chair. It comes in an elegant lilac color and measures 28.5 by 24.5 by 26.5 inches. This well-structured, compact beanbag chair is perfect for your living room, bedroom, den, playroom, or entertainment area. You'll give credit to the manufacturer who knows just how to give you a pleasurable, comfortable experience. The innovative design features double-stitched, reinforced seams for durability. Its sleek, well-defined seat with built-in handle for easy movement anywhere is also a great feature. It's relaxing and cozy so you can enjoy me time and becomes a delightful activity. It's filled with lightweight, fluffy, soft beans that gently conform to the body. The compact, versatile design of this beanbag chair is ideal for people who live in smaller apartments or condos. The safety-locking zipper of the fabric protects your floor and can be spot cleaned. For safety purposes, the zipper pulls are removed. Check the manual that provides the instructions to open your Joey chair for refilling purposes. The reliable cover allows you to add more filling or replace them for a more heavenly sitting experience. Refill bags are also available. Check out this beanbag chair to help your lounging, reading, watching, or playing games more enjoyable. At number 2 is the INTEX beanless bag chair. This comfy seat adds fun and style in your living room, bedroom, reading area, theater, or study. It comes in a neutral color that perfectly blends in with existing furnishings. The extra seat is always a welcome addition for small or large spaces. It's inflatable so you can keep it around or store it away after use. You get to relax while reading a book or having your favorite drink. Also, the de-stressing, body-hugging shape and cushioned seats will provide functionality and an aesthetically firm chair for your living space. The contoured form and uniquely corduroyed fabric texture make the seat comfortable. It measures 42 by 41 by 27 inches. It conveniently accommodates both kids and adults. Having this chair in your space makes entertaining more exciting. So you might want to get another one as an extra seat for those intimate or small gatherings. It's lightweight and easy to move around, giving your space an instant makeover. And even though it's beanless, it still feels like the real thing. What are your thoughts on our first 2 beanbag chairs? We have 3 more options to go, but if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and we're happy to read your views and we'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you can get instant notifications when we upload a new video. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Jordan Manufacturing Junior Print Beanbag Chair. This multi-pattern seat is stuffed with 100% premium polystyrene beads. It's a perfect beanbag chair for a kid in you who loves reading, watching movies, studying, or playing games. The stylish, comfortable seat is also a great choice as it features a spun polyester cover that's easy to clean. You get to choose from different vibrant and exciting colors to match your kids' tastes. The fun prints instantly add charm to your kids' room. It features a child-safe double-locking zipper for ultimate protection and comfort. It's made to last, giving you great value for your money. It accommodates up to 150 pounds. It measures 30 by 30 by 12 inches, and it only weighs 4 pounds. The seat provides ultimate support and comfort for little relaxers who enjoy playing all around the house. Move it anywhere where it's convenient and allow your child to pull it around. It holds up nicely and is ultra durable. The material can withstand constant dragging or seating. Keeping it hygienic and clean does not require a lot of effort. All it takes is regular spot cleaning after use when messy situations happen. Just use a mild soap and water solution to keep it clean. At number 4 is the SofaSac 5-foot beanbag chair. It's designed to accommodate 2 small adults or 1 adult and a child. It's definitely a great addition to your living space. It's available in different colors, which makes it easy to mix and match. You'll get a lot of color options to match the interior of your favorite room. This beanbag chair has a nice accent to chic spaces, providing a contrast to existing furnishings. It delivers great comfort and makes it ideal for nursery rooms, playrooms, entertainment rooms, or a child's bedroom. The 55-pound comfy seat supports the human body while lounging, playing video games, reading, or watching TV for a long period of time. It measures 60 by 60 by 34 inches, giving you generous seating space for intimate cuddling or relaxing. This is the perfect piece to add to your working space too when you need an extra seat for visitors or when you just need a moment to chill out and rejuvenate your tired mind or body. The quality is good as it's covered with ultra durable and soft fabric. It's filled with super soft furniture grade memory foam material that'll last a lifetime. The double stitch seams ensure protection against wear and tear. At number 5 is the Better Homes and Gardens PAPASAN chair. It comes in a pumice gray color that easily fits any home or office theme. The comfy 4.5-inch cushion features a Sherpa-style fleecy top and welted sides. It's supported by a chair bowl that's easy to assemble. The sturdy steel frame with faux wicker accents give this chair a classic, luxurious look. The durable base guarantees ultimate stability and comfort. Assembling this chair is a breeze. All you need to do is follow the instructions included in the manual. It's a perfect addition to your living room, theater, family room, playroom, bedroom, or home office. This inviting and stylish seat provides a casual look in any space, enhancing its charm. It accommodates a single user who enjoys a great seat to read, study, rest, or socialize. The arched design hugs the body as the soft, fluffy cushion eases the tiredness away. The cover is 100% polyester, which means it requires hand washing. When needed, you can also use a non-chlorine bleach to get rid of the mess or keep it safe from germs. To dry the cushion, lay it flat and use a cool iron for faster results. Do not dry clean. Beanbag chairs are really cool options, especially if you have limited space. We hope that this list helped you decide which one's best for you based on the size, material, and shape. If you want to buy one of the products we've presented, feel free to check out the links in the description below to catch it at a great deal. If you have any products that you want to see us review, just leave them in a comment box and we'll give it our attention to grant your wishes. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when we have a fresh product review. And also click the subscribe button to join our growing community. Thanks for joining us. That's all for now. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.